everyone, this is Nicole with Marussia behind the camera, and today we are showcasing this renovator's dream in a lovely estate in Waterkloof Ridge. You're so close to the R21. You have easy access to go to Johannesburg or wherever you actually would like to. So come inside and have a look at this 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom house, which Marussia thinks that we can actually add 2 more bedrooms, so possible 5-bedroom house, and come tour with us and have a look at what we would do, and maybe you could tell us what you would do with the house as well. So you'll see we're right at the entrance. We've passed a single garage and then a 3-car garage on the other side, and I'm going to walk right in. There's a solid wooden door, but here we're going to do make a lot of changes. So the floor currently has travertine, and you'll see that we have a lot of wood skylight features, but all of this will come down and we'll change this to glass balustrades. That which Marussia is looking at is actually going to become part of one of the bedrooms or cinema room. We'll see. So double volume entrance. There's space, more than enough space for a massive chandelier, and we can change this into glass balustrades. And I want to take you to the kitchen first.
So we're going to lose all the suggestions of Roman Greek, is my idea.
Yes.
So columns are going to go, and the little elements we're going to turn this into more modern look, right?
That's where we start. So that's the first thing. Day number 1.
Day 1, we do. So we're turning this property into a very modern, top of the hill castle.
That's what
Where
we're going to do.
Where are we today?
We are in Waterkloof Ridge, so in one of the estates. It's quite a cute estate, and we have a Greenbelt on the other side. So wait for that, which is coming. I'm going to take you up here in a bit. You really want to see the view from there as well. So here we have the kitchen. You'll notice that the cupboards are made from solid wood, and we have the granite tops here. This we remove. So all of this changes into light colors, grays, Caesar stone tops. Look at that view. So that is coming from the 3rd level of the house as well. But you can just enjoy cooking in this house and then just see this view.
And we're going to expand on the windows then. So all of this wall here is going to turn into a window, so we can capitalize on the view, right?
Perfect. That
and lead us to that balcony that we've got right outside.
Yes, that's a great idea. So, okay, and then on this side, so we know light colors, Caesar stone. I'm actually thinking open this wall completely, if it's possible, and change this into your dining room, but have it open plan, maybe with a couch.
Family style.
Remove this cute chandelier.
But this will look very nice in a little dressing room, like a boudoir style.
Yes. So you can keep it, but not here. You can quickly have a look at the view from this balcony, and to your left you'll see a sneak peek of what's to come in terms of Greenbelt and the nature reserve.
And this is your kitchen, right?
Correct.
So all of this will be open completely into the view.
Yeah, no, that's a fantastic idea, Marussia. I think that's exactly what the house needs.
I think we should also put a pic of the Google Maps so you guys can see what a divine location this is on the Greenbelt.
Yes, let's do that. So have a look at that whilst we walk through here. So on the side we have a guest toilet, so just a guest bathroom. We are going to change tiles, we're changing everything there, making it more modern, and you won't believe what's hidden in here, Marussia. Have a look. You tell me if we keep this or not.
Hidden jacuzzi with its own personal skylight. I say no. The location maybe is wrong. I think maybe we take it out next to the swimming pool.
Which is still to come, yes, yes. And then a look at this here. We have a sauna. So
That is brilliant. Okay, the sauna stays.
for sure. And I'll add on this side, and on the building plans it actually shows that, I'll add my ice bath just here. Okay.
Yes, we absolutely have to have an ice bath.
For sure, for sure.
And the shower.
Yes, there's a shower too.
So this room stays.
Definitely.
And it's nice that it's got a door, because you actually don't want it to be part of your living space
No,
all the time.
no, definitely not. So you close that door. Yeah, we're removing this bar to start with.
Definitely.
I know South Africans, we love our bars, or well, most of us do, but we remove this bar, we'll find another space for it. And on the other side, we remove this too, because
you know what this reminds me of? You know, in the old theatres where you could give your code
yes.
in the opera room, and then they give you a number. So it's
So if you want to keep this, you can always keep your children busy by having them sit here. When your guests come, they can hang the coats.
otherwise the corner goes.
Yes, for sure.
Everything goes. This
was
we open.
This was an old TV room, but I would definitely open this as well. Or you can keep it as this, but have this then as a kids' playroom. Close enough, but also private. From all the noise we know that kids can make.
Or even a little gym setup. I know the rendering
That's fantastic. Yes, okay. Yeah. Or the gym setup. That's actually perfect right next to the sauna. What do you guys online think?
So that's where the jacuzzi goes. So I say this whole room goes and opens up completely.
Yes. Yeah. So then you can actually add couches. You can add a table. I would add a pool table. That's what I would do there.
Fantastic.
Pool table, lose this bar, but now Marussia, look at this. So here's an outside covered space. I'm thinking, in as much as the thatch, a lot of people love it, let's lose it. Let's change this. We need to bring in some aluminium, some steel, something that's like super modern, and that we can do here.
And let's remember also, we are on the Greenbelt. This entire wall is blocking the most beautiful view.
Correct.
So we want glass here.
Yeah, all the way, so that you can actually see the Greenbelt. You won't believe it, but there's a pool just there. So
you're right, I won't believe it. It's hidden.
It's quite hidden.
Spot the pool, guys.
We'll go there now, but once we're there, you'll see that this actually, we can take away the trees and add stairs to go up to the pool, so that this is just more open. And
it will immediately, even though it's not a big space, just by removing the trees and all the walls,
yes,
it will give you that sense of extra space.
Yeah. So this is, I think, the second greenest pool, Marussia, that you and I have shown together. So guys, just ignore that. Look at your Greenbelt.
It's frothing as we speak. Look at this. If we were to break that wall by the braai area, this is your view, hey?
Or just at least add the glass windows.
And we're right next to, we're very close next to the highway. Not next to the highway, we're close to the highway.
Yes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yet you hear nothing. You're in nature.
So you want to capitalize and enjoy that Greenbelt here. You can come and add some love into this garden. You know, Marussia and I both love green things, so it's a pity that some of the trees need to go, but it doesn't matter, because here you can come and play with this space.
And open up those panels with glass again to see that nature is there.
Yeah. Then I'm going to take you in here. So this is now where we had the bar, we've removed it. This I can see clearly was a TV room previously, And you can keep this as a TV room if you wanted to. I would keep my dining room close to the kitchen.
What about the chandelier, Nicole?
Look, it's cute, but it goes. It goes.
I'm all for also special effects or special ceilings, you know, dropped ceilings,
Yes.
just for a bit of ambience. But I think we need to change that to more square and straight lines. We can even, you know, fix the ceiling here with your shadow lines, so we remove again the Roman Grecian feel,
Yes.
and we keep it super clean and modern.
Yeah, that's all we do. So now this will become either a passage, pajama lounge. I'll add a slab above there. So we're going to get to the cinema room. Marussia mentioned something about extra bedrooms at the top. But this will be closed and becomes a super cool pajama lounge. And the water feature also.
Because it is a wasted space at the moment. So
Yeah.
you absolutely, when we're slabbing the top, we need to do something here.
With that, yeah. So this is now the main bedroom. So on the plans, it looks like we changing, now the bathroom's there. It looks like we turning this part into a bathroom and that part into a main bedroom, which I actually think is fantastic. So this entire wing of the house will become 3-4 bedrooms. But so we changing things up a bit. I'm going to show you what this bathroom currently offers, and because this is a bit of a blast from the past. So we have a private toilet. Look at the sunken bath. It actually looks brand new, like brand new, with the marble or granite tops. We don't have mirrors here, but okay. And then your walk-in shower on the other side. But something that I think the previous residents really enjoyed in this house is what Marussia is walking into, and that is this walk-in closet. So if you can see that this is probably where the lady of the house kept her handbags. And then just walk around cupboards for days.
This is where hide and seek took place.
Probably. So this becomes bedroom, main bedroom, bathroom on the side, bigger living area.
In which case we have to open again windows, eh? Because
Yes.
this is old style house,
Yes.
Waterkloof. We need more windows, right?
Yeah. And there's a selfie mirror, but you can bring your own selfie mirror with lights. So I'm going to take you into this bedroom. It's very big. You'll see here we have aluminium windows. You could keep this, but king size bed can fit in here. And you'll know we change colors. We change basically everything. Tiles, linen cupboard. Okay. Then we're heading to the shared bathroom. On the plans, every bedroom becomes ensuite. So the plans keep 3 bedrooms and they become ensuite with a shower.
And this bathroom is already ensuite with that bedroom that we just came out of.
Yes, because there is a door. So then this can also become like a gym room, even though the one on that side is actually better, or a bedroom or a study. There's a small little balcony on this side, but that becomes part of one of the ensuite bathrooms. Okay.
Due to the odd shape, I would also say study rather.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so we're back at the main family room. Yes. So now I'm going to take you upstairs to where Marussia thinks we should add bedroom 4 and 5. Currently being used as a study. You'll notice that we have carpeted stairs, but that...
Does the carpet stay or go, guys?
Go. Oh, yeah, let's hear what they say. I would say
and
go.
And the wood cladding on the walls.
What do you think about that? And then, yeah, this will most probably be my favorite spot in the house because of the view. So you could turn this, this is meant to be a study with a cinema next door. Marussia, what would you do with this?
So I vote that entire floor that we were on, we slab. We just keep the double volume entrance.
Okay.
So that up here we have 3 bedrooms. We
Okay.
already have the plumbing downstairs, so we pull the plumbing. This view has to be enjoyed by more than one room. And also this view, because this is
There you
literally
go.
your nature reserve. So we're now above those, that floor that we've just completed. There's that internal courtyard that we were seeing. All of this is a slab. We have 3 bedrooms, all en suite up here, all of them with as many windows as humanly possible. We break as many windows on the bottom floor as well, because this house is literally a corner Greenbelt stand. It doesn't get better than that. Prime location, right next to that butchery also that I absolutely adore. So we can turn this into the castle on the hill.
Yes.
And the most magnificent house that you can possibly wish for in this estate, and it's a really prime estate. So that would be me. 5 bedrooms. We're going to end up with 4 garages. We're going to have a cinema room or a gym room, you know, the sauna already, and the cold plunge. So it's worthy. It's a project worthy of any developer or home owner that wants their dream home.
For sure. I agree with you, Marussia. There's lots of space, so I've just walked to the other side of the roof so that you guys get an idea of the space here. You can still do so much. So 3 bedrooms can definitely fit. And as a last look at the nature reserve, I think it's absolutely stunning.
So if you want to take this project,
Give us a call. I can't wait to meet the person who takes this and make it their own. So give me a call. Our details are below, and then we'll see you in the next one. Bye.